Tuesday, June 3rd, 2025. St. Charles, Wanga and Companions. Focus. If only I may finish the ministry that I received from the Lord Jesus. This month's prayer intention, that each one of us might find consolation in a personal relationship with Jesus, reminds us that we can serve the Lord only if God is more important to us than life. Today marks the death anniversary of St. Charles Wanga, one of Uganda's greatest athletes, in 1886. He kept up the faith of his Christian companions, all young men in the service of the violent pedophile king Wanga II. About 30 Catholic and Anglican court pages were killed for their prayerfulness and chastity. One was the chief executioner's own son. During the long march to their place of execution, they gazed expectantly towards heaven and remained joyful. Similarly, on the eve of his passion and death, Jesus prayed, "Father, the hour has come. I am coming to you." The first reading recounts a snippet of Paul's third missionary journey. He was probably in his late 50s then. Having escaped martyrdom several times, he no doubt sensed his hour was now near. He was anxious to reach Jerusalem before Pentecost. He did not know what would befall him there. But his concern was not about saving his skin, but about completing the task Jesus had entrusted to him. Fruit. Placing God first is a daily habit which prepares us for any eventuality, even martyrdom. If we are in love with God, that means I am coming to you.